How to download MS Office 2021 for free. Open your web browser, search for Office Customization Tool, then click on the first official link. Now choose 32-bit or 64-bit as per your system preference. Then select Office LTSC Professional Plus 2021 Volume License. Click Next. Then select the language. Click Next. Click Next. Then turn off the upgrade options. Click Next. Click Next. Finish. Then click on Export. Now select Office Open XML formats. Click OK. Next, select the checkbox, the Accept Terms. Then click Export. You see configuration.xml file. Downloaded. Next, open the new tab. Search for Office Deployment Tool. Click Download. You see Office Deployment Tool. File downloaded. Now go to Downloads. Create a new folder name as Office 2021. Select the both downloaded files and move to this folder. Then right-click Office Deployment Tool. Run as administrator. Click Yes. Then select the checkbox and click Continue. Next, choose the folder to extract, then click OK. Now select the Office 2021 folder, copy and paste in local disk EC. In search bar, type CMD. Right-click on this and run as administrator. Go to Notepad and copy. The first command are provided in the description of the video. Paste here. Now hit Enter. Next, copy the second command and paste it, and hit Enter. Now it will start to download Microsoft Office Professional version 2021. Now it will take some time, so we will wait for some time. Now you can see here it is downloading, and it will install Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneNote, Publisher, and Access for free. The installation is complete. Now you can see here you are all set. Office is installed. Click Close. Now I search Word and open it here. It's working perfectly. This way you can install Microsoft Office 2021 Professional version for free without any license key.